All right, guys, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Niger Pride Crazy Tips. If today is the first time of visiting our channel, please do what to hit on that subscription button and then turn on the notification bell on so that anytime I publish a video, you get the video, right? So today, the other time I was like telling you guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to redirect any traffic that enters your site to your Astral direct link. Right. So today I'm going to show you the simple steps on how to redirect the traffic to your direct Astra direct link. Right. So now the first thing that you just need to do is there is this plugins that I would like you guys to go and look for. Sorry. Let's go to installed plugins. Okay. Then you just need to go and if you check here, this is used SEO. This one is the free one, and this is the paid one. Okay, so you just need this used SEO premium for you to run this stuff right now. Okay, so what you just need to do is once you install your used SEO premium, because the feature is not here, you can only find the features here. Then you activate. Just need to wait for it to activate. All right. So now, what you just need to do now is you go straight to your Astera, and then go to direct link. Click on direct link, and then you copy any of the link here, and then go back. Locate this SEO. Here is it, SEO. Then you click redirect. You see something here, redirect. Now, then here you put the old URL. This old URL means, let me paste this thing here. Let's say you want to redirect the whole site, because that is our aim and that's our target. You this Anybody that accessed this link now must surely arrive here. Are you getting it? So this time around, you're not going to waste even a single traffic. So anyone that tried to log in or to go into your site must surely visit this stuff. Okay. So the reason why I showed you guys this thing is because most of you may like to run paid ad, paid advert, like all this paid traffic. Now, especially on Facebook. Are you getting it? So what you need to do is you allow them to approve your ad. Once they approve the ad, then you rush immediately and fix this stuff. Then after everything like this, you click on add redirect. You understand now? So once you can see it here, redirect added. You can see it now. This is it here. This is it here. So if you try to access this stuff now, let's copy it to a new tab. Click on enter. Automatically it will redirect the person. Are you getting it now? You see? Hope you understand. Now that is the work of this redirect. Now, whenever you run the advert, rush immediately. Once they approve it, oh, don't do it when they have not approved, because they will still access the link that you provided on Facebook. Facebook is like they are very strict. Okay, so make sure they have approved your ad, like your ad is live before you come here to add this particular stuff here. You understand? Then make sure the time you are running the stuff, that you use the name of your site like this, copy it like this, and then use it. Or you can use a page or even a post to run this stuff. Then you provide the post link to that your Facebook ad. All right. So once they click on that stuff there on Facebook, it will take them to your site and then redirect them to the direct link. That one you don't need to waste a single traffic. Okay. So that is what I said I'm going to share with you guys. Then I want to talk about this SEO premium. Most of you that are bloggers, good bloggers, supposed to have this SEO tool, the paid one. So, but if you don't have this, okay, I'm going to be dropping a link or the video description, but it's not free. It's not going to be free. Only that I'm going to make it very very affordable for you guys. Okay, it's going to be very very affordable compared to what they are selling it. Like let's check the price. Um, use the SEO. Um, let's check on the pricing. Let's see. Mm, wait. Use pricing. Let's see how much you're selling is. This is $99 per year, per year. You understand? So because of this, I'm going to share this plugin free because my own is paid like lifetime. You understand? You're not going to kind of um I don't know how to put this so that you understand. You're not going to renew it. It's just one time payment which I've paid everything for you guys. Okay? So try as much as possible to have this stuff before you run your Facebook ad. Okay? Then if you like you can come here to buy from them. That is $99. But if you prefer my own, okay, you can still come over and then get it. I'm going to drop the link at the video description. So thank you for watching today's tutorial and may God bless you.